Hi everybody, I'm Fiona. You got to get that thumbnail. Today, pod filter installation in one take. This video is in one hit. It's going to be a 2-minute job, so it's going to be a 2-minute video or so. I've already brained up what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to show you what that is. I've got a couple of cameras all running together, so I will probably flick between views, but it's one take. And so here we go, pod filter installation. Alright, so those who know the Holden Ecotech motors, you'll know you've got your factory airbox. That is the hard mount and static location for your airflow before a concertina. And when you remove that for a pod filter, which we're doing today, that leaves a non-static. This now can flop around because there's nothing holding it still. And so you can either replace your concertina with something solid and have that solid mount to the motor and of course the pod filter as well, or you can create something to mount that to the chassis, and that's what I've done today. In fact, what I've made is this. It's a very simple little thing. In fact, I've taken a different and separate airbox cover. There's that original one I had on there, and I have literally just cut the top corner off that, if you can see that. See that? Just cut it off, cut it down, and I have relocated the air intake temperature sensor to there. So it's still factory-like, even though it's no longer factory. Okay, so, and then all I'm going to do, and just pop this camera down, hopefully that's a reasonable view. I'm just literally, because I've already done the measurements and made this to work, we're going to slide that on there, like that. Get that at the right angle so it bolts down properly, like that. And then that wiring loom, if you can see it, I've got a little lug down there, goes through there. We've got the air intake air temperature sensor, clicks in there. We take a couple of self-tapping screws, and we're going to put a couple of those in. One in the top. Get that in nice and quick. One in the bottom. Put that in as well. Alright, and there's a couple of extra ugga-duggers, so it's fairly firm. Done. Then we grab our air filter, our pod filter. We'll get that on here. Just it's a snug fit, but goes on pretty well. There we go. And of course, lastly, the two clamps. Done, done, and done. We have now one pod filter with intake temperature. It's all still mounted to the chassis, concertina to the motor, and that is done. It is as simple as that. And that's all I have for this quick video. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.